Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So in today's video, I am actually going to swatch lipsticks for you guys. These are the lipsticks that I'm going to swatch. I actually went through my collection yesterday and I was searching for really amazing lipsticks to wear this festive season that would go really well with Indian outfits, Indian wear. So I came up with these 10 different lipsticks. We have like pinks in here, some nudes, some browns, and a lot more. So yeah, and all of these are affordable as well. Some fall under the mid-range category affordable, like Maybelline and stuff, and some are like extremely affordable, like Insight. So yeah, let's get on with the video. And also before starting, I do want to say that I am actually wearing a Lotus lipstick, and it's like this peachy shade we have here, this one. So I am actually going to show this lipstick in today's video as well. But before that, I just want to say that I am wearing this with a lip liner. This is from Dazzler. This is a brown lip liner and I love pairing these two. So if anytime I'm wearing a lip liner with a lipstick, I'll mention it on the screen. So that's it, and let's get on with the swatches. I hope you like the video. Let's get on with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you liked it. I will probably do this look maybe if you guys want me to. It's like a very easy festive look, and yeah, I'm going to do this look maybe in the future as well because I am loving it so much. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys a lot. If you haven't subscribed and you actually did enjoy the content, you can hit the subscribe button because I post 4 days a week with really good content on affordable beauty, skincare. You know, I just don't want to say fashion because I just post like 2 videos each month, I guess, on fashion, but still, you know, we have that fashion category as well. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.